Hey guys, I'm Abhay. So if you're new to my channel, let me give a quick info about my channel. I'll be uploading C++ tutorials from today and will be completing tutorial CDs or the playlist in about 15 to 20 videos. If you want to learn Python, then just visit the playlist section and click on Python tutorials playlist and then start learning. If you want any videos related to C++ or Python, just leave a comment in the comment section and it will be done in 1 or 2 days. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about Introduction to C++. What is C++? C++ is a cross-platform programming language that can be used to create high-performance applications. C++ was developed by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension to the C language. Bjarne Stroustrup was a Dutch programmer well known for developing C++. C++ gives programmers a high level of control over system resources and memory. Now, why do we use or what is C++ used for? So it is used for making games, game engines, etc. It can be used to develop operating system like Windows, Mac OS, etc. It can also be used for developing web browsers like Google Firefox. So C++ features. What are the features for C++? C++ is an object-oriented programming language. It provides a lot of features that are given below. So simple. C++ is a simple language in the sense it provides structural approach to break a problem into the parts. It also has rich set of library functions, data types, etc. Machine independent or portable. So unlike assembly language, C programs can be executed in many machines with little bit or no change mostly, but it is not platform independent. So mid-level programming language. C++ is also used to do low-level programming. It is used to develop system applications such as kernel, drivers, etc. It also supports the feature of high-level language. This is why it is known as mid-level language. So structured programming language. C++ is a structured programming language in the sense that we can break the program into parts using functions. So it can ease to the understanding and modifying. So rich library. C++ provides a lot of inbuilt functions that can make the development faster. Memory management. It supports the feature of dynamic memory allocation. In C++ language, we can free the allocated memory at any time by calling the free function. So speed. The compilation and execution time of C++ is fast compared to C or C sharp. So pointer. C++ provides the features of pointers. We can directly interact with the memory by using the pointers. We can use pointers for memory structures, functions, arrays, etc. Recursion. So in C++, we can call the function within the function. So it provides core reusability for every function. Extensible. C++ language is extensible because it can easily adopt new features and it is compiler based. So, what do you mean by compiler based? C++ is a compiler based programming language. It means that without compilation, no C++ program can be executed. First, we need to compile our program and then run it or execute our program. Object oriented. C++ is object oriented programming language. OOPs or object oriented programs make development and maintenance easier, whereas in procedure oriented programming language, it is not easy to manage if the code grows as project size grows, so it becomes very difficult to manage. So now why do we need to use C++ or why do you need to choose C++? So C++ is one of the world's most popular programming languages. C++ can be found in today's operating systems, graphical user interfaces, and embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language which gives us a clear structure to programmers and allows code to be reused, lowering development costs. C++ is portable and can be used to develop applications that can be adapted to multiple platforms. As C++ is close to C Sharp and Java, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to C++ from C Sharp and Java or vice versa. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how do you install IDE for C++ and how do you write your first program in C++. Make sure you watch them, do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.